we are going to learn about letters. These are letters. ABCs are letters. All letters have a name and a sound and a picture to remember them. My name is Miss Suzanne, or Mommy. This person's name is Katie. The sound she says is hi.
Hi.
Hi. Her picture is right here. That's not really Katie. That's just a picture of her. Here's Katie. Katie says
Hi.
hi. Thank you, Katie. So, her name is Katie. Her sound is hi. And that's a picture to remember her by. Let's try again. Her name is Katie. Her sound
Is hi.
is hi. Thank you, Katie. And this is a picture to remember her. Letters have the same thing. Do you have a name?
Yeah, your
What's your name?
your
And what sound do you say?
yeah.
Hi. And there's a picture, I bet, that your mom and dad have to remember you by. Well, this letter's name
No, not
is A.